Okay, and hello everyone. So in this part today, we just have a small chat talk about. Often we discuss the question, which means when when we do acupuncture needling, when we turn our needle left to right, and or right from right to left, which one is tonified, which is reduced method. It's different literature and then different argument. So, and why most books said clockwise is tonifying and anti-clockwise is reduced method. This is must be have a theory behind, which means it must be follow the universal law and follow the Tao. And somebody said, okay, we have to face to the sun rising from left to right. But of course, this is what we saw the universe phenomenon. But according to literature, we need to find a citation. So here I give it to you. In my opinion, why, how to explain this clockwise, anti-clockwise is tonified or reduced method. So there's a book, an ancient Taoism book, and explained to Yi Jing, the book called Yi Jing 说卦传, which means 说卦, which means to tell us how to understanding the 八卦 of Yi Jing. So in this book, there's one sentence, and he said, 天道左旋，地道右旋. This the book. How to translate is means heavenly Tao, the way of heavenly, the Tao of heaven, turns is from left to right, and the earthly Tao turns from right to left. This is the sentence. So this is why in the Huangdi Neijing also explains the tonifying, follow clock is tonifying, anti-clockwise is reduced. So we can see this is Yi Jing 八卦. And from the numerology of Chinese Taoism or Yi Jing, you can see here. This is yang. You can see the yang rising, for example, from here. And we know water, for example, the most yin at the moment. And it's 1, 6. 3, 8 is wood. And 2, 7 is fire. 4, 9 is metal, earth in the middle. So suppose you may be on that, our meridian is the system. So you can see if we rise in yang qi is followed. This is you can see 1, 3, 7, 9. So this is the way moving. It's like this. Moving like this. This direction. See that? This is the direction. So which means it's clockwise. So this is heavenly Tao, it's yang qi. So which means when we're needling, if clockwise, which means you increase meridian or acupuncture point, the qi, yang qi rising and more, or increasing yang qi more and more. This is called tonifying, as we know that. But earthly Tao is turned to from right to left, which means it's yin. Earth is yin. So as pathology, we call it yin axis. So what you can see, and yin axis is, you can see from this is 8, 6, this is 4, this is 2. So you can see if we want to reduce the yin axis, we need to follow from 8, can reduce to 6, and reduce to 4, and then reduce to 2. So this means it's follow the earth dial anti-clockwise. So that's why I think we should understand this information when you do this. Our meridian frequency knows, and if it's follow the heavenly dial increase in yang qi, or follow, if you use anti-clockwise, they will follow the earth dial, which means reduce the yin excess from more yin until less yin and transform to the yang. So that's why we can see this is the 9 of magic number square. Follow this is yin yang. This is really yin yang changing. Actually, when you increase yang qi, and yin automatically reduce already. And that's our meridian and acupuncture point, the nature of acupuncture point. Of course, the basic needling technique we also call it. When you follow the meridian qi flows, follow the qi of meridian flows, is tonifying. If against the qi flows, is reduced. So we can use these two methods together, which means follow meridian and clockwise, tonify yang qi, and then the yin excess pathology will automatically reduce. Or reduce yin excess anti-clockwise, and then let yang qi of meridian and acupuncture point right away rising. So I think this part we can see. Probably this is the fundamental theory of this needling technique. Shall we clarify a little bit about that? Thank you very much.